Wow! Welcome to this final video in this course where I congratulate you on your amazing feat. You've done all the videos in this course, you've done all the moments, you've done all the different chapters, and now you know what Moralis is, how it's used, you know about how to log in users, get their data, sync smart contracts, how to watch for real-time alerts in your applications. And what is the next step? Well, the next step is that you put this knowledge to work, because while this course may be over, there is a whole new world in front of you. This is how it is with learning. You learn something just to discover that you don't know anything. And this is kind of the experience you have all the time in programming. And this is something that I have all the time in programming as well. That as soon as you think you understand, you quickly realize, oh, there's so much more to learn. Let me explain to you what is coming next. And this is, by the way, how it always says that you think that you've made it to the top, you're here, but then you quickly understand that, wow, there is another top. All right. So what you can do now is that you can use Moralis, you can build everything you want, but you do it in vanilla. All right. And like we discussed at the start of this episode, you should not be using vanilla in production projects. In production projects, you use something like React, you use something like Vue.js, but the reason why we did vanilla, like I also told you in the beginning, is because everyone needs to be able to follow this, even if you don't know React or Vue.js. So if you don't know React or Vue.js or some other such library, I highly recommend you to learn React. So if you search React Moralis Academy, let me try to find it, Moralis Academy. You just search React Moralis Academy like this. You will find the first one, React Web Development. So this, you should learn this. Go and join our academy and learn React properly. Because here you're going to get a real instructor. You can do this remote. You can do this on your own free time, but you need to know React, guys. If you are to do something for real in production, you need to know React. Now, if you already know React, then it's amazing. Because then you can go here to Ethereum boilerplate and you can start playing around with this. You can start building anything you want based on this. So let's say you want an NFC marketplace, you can use this boilerplate. You want prediction market, you can use this boilerplate. And actually, we have a full playlist on YouTube doing exactly this, taking that boilerplate and molding it into different things. For example, if you look in the description, you will find this playlist called Web3 Programming Projects. And here you see, for example, how I cloned OpenSea, how I created a chat app for iOS and Android, how I created Web3 social network, how I minted NFTs, how I built a DeFi dashboard, how I did the Ethereum login, how I minted a bunch of stuff, how I did a prediction market, and so on and so forth. So as always in programming and technology, you know a lot, but there's always a lot to learn. So as next step, I would say if you don't know React, go and learn React. You find it in the link below, but you can also just search React development. Then start going through this. And once again, if you haven't signed up yet, sign up in this Interested in Moralis Expert Certificate. You go to moralis.io/certification and you're gonna find this. We will email you when it's time. On that note, guys, I want to congratulate you once again, because what you have achieved is monumental. You've achieved monumental things by following this whole course through, by ensuring that you know what you're doing here, and by ensuring that you know the tools they require to do different things. And I hope to see you in the next video, in the next course here on this channel. So big shout out to you. Have a good day and goodbye, guys. Goodbye.